Hello everyone. Today we are going to practice 50 daily life conversation English shadowing sentences. These are sentences that English speakers use every single day, and you will repeat after me. By the end of this video, your speaking English will feel much more natural. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video. Every part is important. You need to build your foundation first, just like building a house. So here is what you need to do right now. Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? Let's start. These are easy sentences that you use every single day. Listen to me carefully, then repeat after me 2 times. Let's begin. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you repeat. I wake up at 7 o'clock. ខ្ញុំក្រោកពីគេងនៅម៉ោង7:00. I brush my teeth. Now you repeat. I brush my teeth. ខ្ញុំដុសធ្មេញរបស់ខ្ញុំ I take a shower. Now you repeat. I take a shower. ខ្ញុំងូតទឹក I get dressed quickly. Now you repeat. I get dressed quickly. ខ្ញុំស្លៀកពាក់យ៉ាងរហ័ស I make my bed. Now you repeat. I make my bed. ខ្ញុំរៀបចំគ្រែរបស់ខ្ញុំ I drink coffee every morning. Now you repeat. I drink coffee every morning. ខ្ញុំផឹកកាហ្វេជារៀងរាល់ព្រឹក I eat breakfast at home. Now you repeat. I eat breakfast at home. ខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកនៅឯផ្ទះ I check my phone. Now you repeat. I check my phone. ខ្ញុំឆែកទូរស័ព្ទរបស់ខ្ញុំ I read the news. Now you repeat. I read the news. ខ្ញុំអានព័ត៌មាន I leave for work. Now you repeat. I leave for work. ខ្ញុំចេញពីកន្លែងការងារ I drive to the office. Now you repeat. I drive to the office. ខ្ញុំបើកឡានទៅការិយាល័យ I take the bus. Now you repeat. I take the bus. ខ្ញុំជិះឡានក្រុង I walk to school. Now you repeat. I walk to school. ខ្ញុំដើរទៅសាលារៀន The weather is nice today. Now you repeat. The weather is nice today. អាកាសធាតុគឺល្អណាស់ថ្ងៃនេះ It's raining outside. Now you repeat. It's raining outside. វាកំពុងភ្លៀងនៅខាងក្រៅ I forgot my umbrella. Now you repeat. I forgot my umbrella. ខ្ញុំភ្លេចយកឆ័ត្ររបស់ខ្ញុំ I need to buy groceries. Now you repeat. I need to buy grocery. ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទិញសម្ភារៈប្រើប្រាស់ The store is closed. Now you repeat. The store is closed. ហាងត្រូវបានបិទ What time is it? Now you repeat. What time is it? តើវាម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានហើយ It's almost noon. Now you repeat. It's almost noon. វាស្ទើរតែថ្ងៃត្រង់ហើយ I'm running late. Now you repeat. I'm running late. ខ្ញុំកំពុងរត់យឺត Can you help me? Now you repeat. Can you help me? តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ Sure, no problem. Now you repeat. Sure, no problem. ប្រកាសណាមិនមានបញ្ហាអ្វីទេ Thank you so much. Now you repeat. Thank you so much. អរគុណអ្នកច្រើនហើយ I'm sorry about that. Now you repeat. I'm sorry about that. ខ្ញុំសុំទោសអំពីរឿងនោះ Don't worry about it. Now you repeat. Don't worry about it. កុំបារម្ភអំពីវាអី I have a question. Now you repeat. I have a question. ខ្ញុំមានសំណួរ Where is the bathroom? Now you repeat. Where is the bathroom? តើបន្ទប់ទឹកនៅឯណា Turn left here. Now you repeat. Turn left here. សូមបត់ឆ្វេងនៅទីនេះ Go straight ahead. Now you repeat. Go straight ahead. ទៅត្រង់ I'm looking for my keys. Now you repeat. I'm looking for my keys. ខ្ញុំកំពុងរកមើលសោរបស់ខ្ញុំ Did you see my phone? Now you repeat. Did you see my phone? តើអ្នកបានឃើញទូរស័ព្ទរបស់ខ្ញុំទេ It's on the table. Now you repeat. It's on the table. វាគឺនៅលើតុ I found it. Thanks. Now you repeat. I found it. Thanks. ខ្ញុំរកឃើញវាហើយអរគុណអ្នកច្រើនណាស់ I'm so hungry right now. Now you repeat. I'm so hungry right now. ខ្ញុំពិតជាឃ្លានខ្លាំងណាស់ឥឡូវ What is for lunch? Now you repeat. What is for lunch? តើអ្វីសម្រាប់អាហារពេលថ្ងៃត្រង់ I want pizza today. Now you repeat. I want pizza today. ខ្ញុំចង់ញ៉ាំ pizza ថ្ងៃនេះ Let's order some food. Now you repeat. Let's order some food. តោះកំងម្ហូបមួយចំនួន I prefer coffee over tea. Now you repeat. I prefer coffee over tea. ខ្ញុំចង់បានកាហ្វេជាងទឹកតែ This tastes really good. Now you repeat. This tastes really good. ម្ហូបនេះមានរសជាតិល្អណាស់ I don't like spicy food. Now you repeat. I don't like spicy food. ខ្ញុំមិនចូលចិត្តអាហារហឹរទេ Can I have some water? Now you repeat. Can I have some water? តើខ្ញុំសុំទឹកមួយចំនួនឬខ្លះបានទេ I'm full now. Now your turn. I'm full now. ខ្ញុំឆ្អែតហើយឥឡូវ That was delicious. Now you repeat. That was delicious. ម្ហូបនោះពិតជាឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់ I need to rest. Now you repeat. I need to rest. ខ្ញុំត្រូវការសម្រាក I'm taking a break. Now your turn. I'm taking a break. ខ្ញុំកំពុងសម្រាក Let's meet tomorrow. Now your turn. Let's meet tomorrow. What are you doing tonight? Now your turn. What are you doing tonight? តើអ្នកនឹងធ្វើអ្វីនៅយប់នេះ I'm staying home. Now you repeat. I'm staying home. ខ្ញុំនឹងស្នាក់នៅផ្ទះ Thank you so much for watching and practicing with me today. See you in the next video.